Right guys, Pyrotech here. So in this reaction today, we're just going to be using aluminium, potassium, and a tiny bit of boric acid. Boric acid won't have much of an effect as it's a metal flame, so metal flames burn quite bright and sparkly. We're using magnesium ribbon to light it. I'll see you guys in the reaction. Right guys, so what we just saw in that reaction was really big, bright flame. It was filmed 3 meters away in the dark. We saw it's probably about 2.5 meters high in real life, and those were little beads of molten aluminium flying around that was causing that kind of spray effect. Really quite big, very, very bright. I have to warn you about that. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like if you enjoyed it, and comment down below of any reactions you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.